I'm Emily Howarth and I'm from Tararua College. I just came back from a Greenpeace member talking to her about her story and all of the things her and Greenpeace have talked about and their actions, which has been really good on our environment. It's been amazing. That climate change is a real problem and that all of us, especially our youth, need to fix it and we all need to work together in order for it to be fixed. And how it can be fun to do it. Like, it doesn't have to be a mopey issue. Like, yes it is, but we can make it fun. And yeah. Probably hearing about other people's stories and how they got interested in the environment and why they believe it needs to be fixed and their views on how the world will be if we don't fix it and how important it is. Yeah. I feel hopeful that we can fix this problem and that if we all work together it can be fixed so much quicker and that we don't need to feel so anxious about our environment, our society and things like that, yeah.